How to fix Facebook dating not showing. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The most important thing to keep in mind before applying for Facebook dating is make sure that it is available in your country, as Facebook dating is not available everywhere. So, if your country is not listed in Facebook dating availability, then the feature simply will not appear on your Facebook application. Next, it is also equally important to meet the eligibility requirement. The eligibility includes that you are 18 years or older. Next, you have to have a verified Facebook account and you have to have the latest version of Facebook app installed. So, open App Store on your device and then tap on the search bar and search for Facebook and make sure the Facebook application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app further. Also, make sure that you are using the Facebook app and not the browser, as Facebook dating does not work on Facebook Lite, mobile browsers, or the desktop version of Facebook. And if the issue is not fixed, then you can also try to delete the application from your device. So go to your home screen and tap hold on the Facebook application and then tap on the remove app option you see there, and then tap on delete and then tap on delete again. Once deleted, reinstall the app from your app store and see if your issue is fixed or not. If not, then launch the Settings application on your device and tap on the Privacy and Security option you see there, and then tap on Location Services. Tap on Location Services again and make sure that Location Services are enabled, and if not, then go ahead and enable Location Services. And you can also try to log yourself out of your Facebook account and then log back in again and check if the dating tab appears. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix Facebook dating not showing up. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.